Rain, baby, no, no, snow. Scooby Doo went to prison. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about October.
Aw, man!
Chocolate now shows. Blah 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 blah. But dirty cotton might behind a beauty. Where it rain, chocolate easy, chocolate rain, chocolate rain,
Alright, Scully, I need your advice. How come every time I walk up to a woman, they have to pepper spray me every time I pepper spray them?
I don't know.
I need.
Well, Tyler, maybe it's the fact that you're
Hey, no, we're a slow city. This is a tasty bitch. You remember the part.
Hamburgers.
I can't usually get them because my girlfriend's a bitch. I can't usually get them because my girlfriend's a burger. You ever had a big cookie? Yes. Does he look like a bitch? Yes. Does he look like a book? He. Say again. Say again. I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say one more goddamn time.
Lads, I know the perfect person. Sounds. Kind of. We'll have perfect heat in this.
No need to rush off on my account. I like That's just where I keep my cocks. It's real.
Reading. This is This is the PSP goodies. So yeah, we're gonna talk that with my Atari 2600's power supply. What an odd beast. So as I mentioned, it came with a bunch of crap. All of this goodies right here. Some software, good old floppy disk. Guys, man. And then there was this. This is the PC mouse. This is the PC mouse. PC systems. This was crappy.
Man, do you remember that 40-pound cat, Meow? Well, unfortunately, here's a video of a guy getting hit by a guy.
Man, college is
Tough these days. Like, back when I went to Columbia, like, all we did was getting hit by a boom. My face is so hard, you'll say, my God!
my God, did you see that?
Now the kid. That's impressive. But you know what you could really use? Go there.
Hi out there, it's me, Steve. Have you seen Steve? Oh, hi. Steve. Oh, hi. Yeah. We'll play just to figure out what I need to figure out. This is gonna be so much fun. Blues paw print. You know what we need for clues? Our clue. Right. And where is our clue?
Where's that? Stop with getting on my space.
Are you saying you want to fuck?
Yes.
Now come here, you sexy cowboy.
Oh yeah, you.
How dare you suck my balls on an uncharted planet?
Hey guys, look! It's the real.
Who else?